Yeah, now it is recorded. Now it's recorded. No, but I don't know why there is some problem in my internet from yesterday. That is why that girl, that Kolkata girl also had problem. Sorry, that Siliguri girl. Yesterday, that Siliguri girl, she talks very well. But unfortunately, what happened? This internet was giving lot of trouble. Now it is getting loaded, but it takes that much time. Why? What is the speed here today? Fast.com. Fast.com. I am sharing the speed now. Speed is not much today. Oh, it's good. 300 Mbps. Oh, the speed is good, but Kani, this is not coming. Why? Are you are all able to get it quickly there? Please, Soumya, are you
Yes, sir.
sitting before? Are you sitting
Yes,
before?
sir. It is opening.
It's opening easily. Acha. Oh,
Yes.
but here you see, it takes such a lot of time. Normally, it will come very 300 Mbps speed is there, but still, it takes a lot of time for me
Sir,
to
I
get
have a
it.
question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what I study about, sir, Federal Bank, I study about who's founded company, foundation, vision, mission, and number of customers, outlets, ATMs, and key personal and awards, and digital product and balance sheet means total deposit, NPA, net profit. What we I can additionally learn, sir.
Corporate social responsibility.
CSR. Okay.
That also you should study. What are the CSR activities in which our federal bank is contributing? Then what are the achievements they have received? What are
Yes,
the awards they have received? Recent
yes, I
awards.
study about awards. Yes, sir. I study about 4 awards in year 2023 and achievements. Uh, I will study about CSR. I know only one, sir. Um, Foundation name with uh, his founder, KP Homies. I know only one, sir. One CSR. Uh,
Yeah, now I think karnataka.bank.com. Why you are not coming? I will go to google.com, India, Karnataka, bank.com. I will search like this. Let me see whether it comes. Yeah, see now it is coming. See, quickly it has come. It was searching,
Yes.
searching. Now it is coming. Yeah, now we will go to digital banking. Under digital banking, you see on the left side, they are telling about mobile banking, internet banking, e-commerce, missed call banking, WhatsApp banking, IVR facilities, ATM or e-lobby, KBL or QR code, BIM, KBL, UPI, like this. But honestly speaking, I don't know some of these points. Can anyone tell me what is missed call banking?
Sir, missed call banking is generally used for getting, sir, mini statement and checking the balance of account.
balance.
Yes, sir.
I think it is
They
only
will give, sir.
balance. Statement,
Yes,
I
sir.
don't think they will.
Yes, sir.
Statement also they are sending.
No, sir. No, sir. I don't think so. They provide, sir, balance.
Yeah.
What is your remaining
Yes,
They
sir.
will
balance
They
in your
provide
account?
mini statement.
Acha, missed
Sir,
call banking
it is
facility as
written.
the missed call banking facility as the name suggests
Did-
provides banking services such as balance and mini statement of account on customer giving a missed call from his or her registered mobile number to the designated phone number of the bank without making any verbal request. The big Soumya, why don't you read it? You read it.
Yes, sir. The biggest advantage of this facility is that customer need not to visit branch or ATM or even using internet and mobile banking, and can get the information instantaneously on the mobile itself. The said facility is available to customer 24/7. Available the service free of cost.
No. Avail the service. Designated number. What is the designated number?
Designated number.
For balance
For
confirmation, 1800-425-1445. For mini statement, 1800-425-1446. You can't get both the things done in one number. That is why they have two different numbers. So could you follow what is
yes.
missed call banking? Now,
Yes.
Ankur, is missed call banking there in Federal Bank? Hello, Ankuru.
Sir.
Ankuru.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Is
sir.
missed call banking there in Federal Bank? I think it must be
Yes,
there.
sir. It is available in every bank, sir. It is available for every bank.
Achha,
Yes.
achha. Good. Now we will go to next one. Please tell me something about WhatsApp banking. Anybody knows about WhatsApp banking? Here it says WhatsApp banking service is just a message away with Karnataka Bank WhatsApp banking. Just say hi on 96321 from your registered mobile number to start and enjoy the ultimate convenience. Now, Vyas, please read WhatsApp banking.
Yes, sir. Karnataka Bank has always endeavored to provide quality services to all the customers and has ensured customized banking solution for each individual. Bank is now introducing WhatsApp banking as an additional alternate delivery channel to provide seamless service to its customers. You can now avail a host of banking services easily through WhatsApp as a faster, convenient, and secure platform to manage banking service needs. So,
How to register?
Yes.
How to register WhatsApp banking services offered, FAQ. Step 1, please read.
Register yourself. Yes, sir. Save bank's WhatsApp business account number in your mobile contact list. Step 2, start chatting. Send a hi on this number using WhatsApp platform and initiate the conversation by accepting the terms and conditions after providing the OTP that is sent on your mobile number.
These are the things that are given. Please read. Of course, you can start from, all these are not required, very routine things. You start reading from device. Device
shall mean a computer, laptop, mobile phone, tablet, or any other similar electronic device that enables the customer to access WhatsApp and use the services. One-way communication shall mean the service provided by the bank to the customer on WhatsApp, where the bank sends its customer one-way messages to the customer's registered number in the nature of information, alerts, updates, transaction alerts in relation to the customer's account, and such other communications as the bank may deem fit from time to time. Privacy policy shall have the meanings as described on the bank's website. Services shall mean the one-way communication or two-way communication services provided by the bank, either itself or through any of its service providers to the customer on WhatsApp. Two-way communication shall mean the service provided by the bank to the customers on WhatsApp, where the customers can communicate with the bank by sending messages from the customer's registered number in the form of making requests, seeking information, asking queries, etc. to the bank on the registered mobile number. Upon receipt of such request, information or query, the bank will respond back on the customer's registered number. However, such communication shall be limited only to such queries, information, requests, etc., as it may be determined by the bank from time to time.
1 minute. Now, continue. Customer
shall mean a customer of the bank or any other person interacting with the bank on WhatsApp using the bank registered number using the services provided by the bank through WhatsApp. Customer information shall mean the personal data or information or such other data or information including any sensitive personal data in relation to the customer, such as information in relation to the account balance of the customer, shared by the customer or provided to the customer by the bank or collected or obtained from the customer or from WhatsApp or from any such a source in the course of customer availing the services hereunder. WhatsApp shall mean the application provided by the WhatsApp Incorporation, a company incorporated in the United States having its office at 1061 Willow Road, Menlo Park, California. Yes, sir. Eligibility for using the services. The customer hereby agrees and undertakes that the customer shall use the services only if they fulfill and complete with the eligibility criterion mentioned as follows. The customer is an individual and is major. The customer is a guardian of the minor. The customer is of sound mind, solvent, and competent to contract. The customer is a resident of India and is presently in the territory of India at the time of utilization of the services. The customer is non-resident Indian or is residing outside India. Services. The customer hereby accept to avail the services and the communication, both one-way communication and two-way communication provided by the bank on the terms and conditions mentioned herein as amended from time to time. The customer hereby grants express authority to the bank for carrying out the services requested by the customer on WhatsApp and its bank registered number.
I thought it will be only 2 or 3 pages, but it runs to
Yes,
some
sir.
14 pages. Ore Baba, बहुत
Terms and
बड़ा है,
conditions.
बहुत बड़ा है. Oh, let us see only the conditions they are doing. What are the services they give? That is what is more important. Risks are there, technology risks are there. Then what are the services, privacy policy, indemnity, binding nature, deregistration, governing law, acceptance. I think what are the services offered? WhatsApp banking, what are the services they give? Anybody knows?
So
I
that was
know
in
about
the
the
previous
federal
page,
one.
sorry. It is a terms
Pardon?
and conditions. You can
It will come under terms and conditions only. Achha? It goes
no.
pages and pages after pages, Baba. Eligibility to use a customer agrees the registration verification, that is okay. Undertaking by the customer, okay. Then it's so lengthy. Security measures, no. Let me make a search here in our 1 minute. Let me make a search in our chat GPT. Chat GPT. Just a minute. Because I do not know. Actually, I'm not that very familiar. I have not used it. India WhatsApp banking services. I'm just asking in chat GPT, what are the WhatsApp banking services offered? I'm sharing that with you. I'm sharing that with you. We will memorize that from there. Yeah, now, Ankur, are you there with us?
Yes, sir.
Ankur, please read WhatsApp banking services. Please
WhatsApp
read.
banking services are becoming increasingly popular in India. Several banks in India have partnered with WhatsApp to provide banking services to their customers through the messaging platform. These services, including checking account balance, requesting account statement, and even transferring money to other account. Customer can also apply for loans, credit cards, and other financial products through WhatsApp. To use of WhatsApp banking services, customer need to first register the mobile number with bank and then add the bank official WhatsApp number to their contact list. Once added, they can send a message to bank's WhatsApp number to start using the services. Some popular banks in India that offer WhatsApp banking services including SDFC, ICICI, Kotak Mahindra, Axis, and State Bank of India. However, it's worth noting that the specific services offered may vary by bank. Overall,
Sir, it's in website, sir. The Karnataka Bank WhatsApp banking, what all service offered?
Yes, sir.
It is
Can I
there.
read,
Yes,
sir?
sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah,
It's
please.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. I have not been able to see it. That's why. Please read that. Yeah, this one.
So
This is
the
WhatsApp banking services offered here. Acha. Good.
yes, sir.
Please read. Vyas, read.
So currently bank is offering the below services through WhatsApp banking. We will continue to add more and more services for future convenience in future. The banking services is account balance, last 5 transactions, account statement, loan account details, deposit account details, online savings account opening, apply online for loan.
Hey, Baba.
These are the services, sir. And other
Apply-
services include
Mm,
apply online for loan, sir.
mm.
And other services include interest rates on deposits, loans, details of deposit and loan products, details on insurance products, locate the bank branches, ATMs, offices. That's it, sir.
Very good. And I think form 15G, 15H also they are giving. Form 15G,
Yes, sir. 15G and 15H.
yeah, 15G
They-
is for less than 60, 15H is for people above 60. Good. So this is what you should know about this WhatsApp banking. Now we will come to this. Next, we will go to which one? IVR. This is very easy. What is IVR facility, Soumya? Soumya, what is IVR facility?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know? IVR facility means, see, there are certain numbers given for blocking of account and all that. This is what is given here. That is, you will talk over phone and you will go by the directions given by them for blocking of the account, blocking of the debit card, etc. Hot listing the debit card,
Sir,
unlock. Yeah,
Sir,
tell me. Tell me.
sir, screen is not visible for me.
Oh, acha, I'm sorry. I
Sir,
forgot.
it is an automated telephone system. It is used by sir banks and other online platforms like Flipkart and Amazon. If we are talking to them, then they will direct one number to another number. What we want to do. Like
Interactive
choosing,
voice response.
Yeah, interactive
choose
voice response. Good.
voice response.
Excellent. Very good. But I was laughing because you said they will direct from one number to another number. That is
Yes,
why I
sir.
was.
Yesterday, they first start with they give choosing of language. Then what we want to, matlab, they provide 5-6 different numbers to different facilities.
So right now, up to now, what we have studied, please note down in your notebook. If they ask about what is that digital banking services, you can tell them internet banking. If you know the name of the internet banking they have, you can mention that. Then mobile banking, if you know the name of the mobile banking, you can tell. For example, in State Bank of India, it is known as, what is that? YONO. YONO.
Federal,
And
it is Fed Mobiles.
Fed Mobile. In Karnataka, it is known as, any name is there? No name. So in Indian Bank, it is known as Ind Oasis. Some names are there. Then please note down internet banking, mobile banking. Then note missed call banking, because we have studied about that. We know about it. Similarly, you also know WhatsApp banking. You also note WhatsApp banking because we have studied in detail. Once again, you read about it. Then IVR facility also we know. This much will do now. There is no point. ATM e-lobby. ATM e-lobby means using ATM, and e-lobby means it will be similar to our computer. You can use their computer and do all internet transactions through that only. There is no need for a computer for you. You can go to the e-lobby and from there you can operate. What is that QBL QR code? Anybody knows? QBL QR code.
I know, sir, Fed Mobile QR. It is a payment QR-based payment solution offered to Federal Bank that allows customer for payment at merchant outlets by scanning QR code using their smartphone. Like
now using this QR code, I can make payment through Karnataka Bank account, correct? or
Yes.
accept payments through
Uh,
unified payment
Yes, sir.
interface.
These are like, sir, merchants account like Paytm and Phone Pay and Google Pay. The merchant use for receiving of money by their customer.
Oh.
It is
Acha,
also
if this is my QR code and I keep it in my shop,
yes, sir.
customers coming and making payment can make payment by showing this QR
A
code.
QR code.
It will
Yes,
be credited to my account. Good.
yes.
You explained nicely to me. Thank you. I think that much will do. Soumya, are you clear about this now?
Yes, sir.
Now I think it is very clear. Now, what shall we study? Should we study personal or business or agriculture or NRI priority banking or payments? Which one you want to study, Soumya?
Sir, NRI priority banking.
NRI priority banking, correct. NRI means non-resident Indian. Priority banking means something special privileges being given to them. So once I click this, these are the things I am getting. That is accounts, deposits, loans, cards, remit money, investments and insurance, then value added services, NRI newsletter, NRI application forms, non-resident external savings account, then non-resident ordinary savings account, non-resident foreign currency savings account, current account also is there. Acha. Non-resident external current account, non-resident ordinary current account. Are Baba. Services, what is the services comes? Update KYC, then FATCA and CRS. What is FATCA? I am not remembering. Anybody remembers FATCA? I remember to have read, but I am not getting it. FATCA. FATCA, anybody knows? FATCA, FATCAS, no problem. See, actually here under NRI banking, first of all, you should know who is an NRI. NRI is a person who is working abroad or studying abroad and for more than, I think, 120 days in a calendar year. Or you can say, generally, a person working abroad or studying abroad is considered as a non-resident. Okay. Then what are the accounts he can open? The famous accounts are non-resident external savings account, non-resident ordinary savings account, non-resident. They are not. They are not having FCNRD. Oh, I think Karnataka Bank is not having FCNRD, whereas it is there in our what is that? South Indian Bank and Federal Bank and other banks. But here they have resident foreign currency account, savings account. So what do you know about resident foreign currency account savings bank? Anybody has studied about that? I am also not remembering fully details about it. Anybody remembers full details? And now we will come to the other things. Non-resident external current account means an current account opened by a businessman who is a non-resident in a bank account in a bank in India. The only thing is here it is a current account, no number of transactions limited, and no interest is paid. Minimum balance is high. And the only thing is non-resident ordinary account, no interest is earned, no problem. Non-resident ordinary account, balance available here cannot be remitted abroad directly. That's one. Whereas non-resident external account is one where the remittance is received only through foreign remittances, only in terms of foreign currencies. So this account, what happened whenever money is remitted in dollars or euro or pound sterling, it is converted into Indian rupees as on that date, and it will be maintained only in Indian rupees. But then after a few days, the money is eligible for being repatriated abroad. But only risk is it is subject to exchange fluctuation risk. At the time of remitting money into the account, dollar was 81 rupees. But subsequently, when you are going to remit money back, the dollar value is 85 rupees. Then for every dollar, you have to pay 85 rupees. Supposing the dollar value comes down and now it is costing only 70 rupees, then it is sufficient you pay 70 from your account. So that is known as non-resident external account. Same thing is applicable in non-resident external SB account also. Only difference is in SB account, you get interest at the rate agreed by the bank. In our federal bank, it is 3.05. In our Karnataka bank, how much it is? 2.75. Na? What is it? Excuse me. Karnataka savings account, what is the interest rate? Vyas, Somya. Excuse me.
Sorry, sir. I'm not aware.
It's a basic question. Somya, you know or you don't know? I think once I studied that and I told also.
It is, I think, approx 2.75.
Yeah, Karnataka Bank, Savings Bank, interest rate.
Sir, 4.50.
No, it cannot be that
It is
much,
too
Baba.
high.
Too high. It cannot be that. No. It cannot be that much high. Here we are having interest rate for fixed deposits. 375 days, they are giving 7.3. Anybody has seen the net? I think if we go to their savings account, we will know. Personal savings account. I am going to personal savings account. Personal savings account. I am going SB General.
2.75.
That's what I told you. I remember to have seen that. 2.75. Correct. Fees here without checkbook, or I am showing that page. Are you seeing Karnataka Bank on the screen now?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Acha, if some boy told 4.50, it is not
It's
wrong.
up
Here
to
they earn up to
Sir,
4.50 in savings account.
If it is, sir, above 1 crore, sir. It is
Wow,
amount above 1 crore.
above
then
1 crore, kiska paas hai? Who has got 1 crore and
1
Then-
rupees to means 1 rupees to 50 lakh. It is 2.75. 50 lakh to 1 crore.
that will do.
3.50.
That will do. It is sufficient. You remember 2.75. So NRI banking, if you know about non-resident ordinary account, similar to what I told you in current account. NRE similar to what I told you in current NRE account. That's all. But there is one more account available in the case of Federal Bank and other banks that is known as foreign currency non-resident deposit account. Here, it is maintained in terms of dollar. Though notionally in our books it will be maintained in rupees. It is like this. There is no exchange fluctuation risk in the case of foreign currency non-resident deposit account. The interest rate is very low, some 2.30, 2.50 like that. And the money will be remitted in dollars, $10,000, say 2 years. Interest rate is 2% or 2.5%. Then at the end of the period, 2 years, you are eligible to repatriate abroad not only $10,000, but also the interest paid to you, interest added to it, and without any fluctuation, exchange fluctuation. In the case of NRE account, what happens? You are remitting money in foreign currency. It will be converted to Indian rupee on the date, and thereafter the interest rate paid is quite high. Interest rate paid is quite high. Sometimes they pay 5%, 7%, and all that. But when you want to remit money abroad, it is subject to the exchange rate fluctuation. That's all. Good. Any other points you would like to ask now? Any doubts? Any other doubts you are having in your mind? Yeah, tell me, talk to me something about Aadhaar, Mr. Ankur. Talk to me about Aadhaar card.
Aadhaar card is issued by Sir UDI to public for, sir, it is a 16 number digit issued by UDI to general public for use of identity, and it is used as a identity and use of your identity of your address.
No, you are confusing Ankur. Today your answers are all wrong, not clear. Not clear. What happened? Suddenly you were committing mistakes. Now, can anyone correct what are the mistakes did by him?
Sir, Aadhaar is a
Ankur.
12-digit numeric number
Correct. 12
issued by
digit numeric issued by
Unique
UDI.
Identification Authority of India.
UIDAI. You should
I-
tell specifically or tell full name. You say UIDAI, then the interviewer will ask what is the expansion. You have to mention that also. Unique Identification Authority of India. Who is the chairman of UIDAI now?
Chairman, not our sir.
Like
It is a body under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology.
This is how the interview will go. If it, Dr. Saurabh Garg. Dr. Saurabh Garg is the Chief Executive Officer of Unique Identification Authority of India. Prior to this, he was Principal Secretary, Agriculture and Farmers Empowerment, Odisha, where he worked on digitalizing agriculture and developing a direct income transfer scheme for farmers. You know, nowadays in the government, they have done a lot of digitalization of land records also in many states. I don't know. Maybe in your state also it is that they have digitalized land records. And in fact, banks like ICICI Bank and all, they have much more advanced system. They have a system by which they can see your land by sitting in the computer. That much advanced technology has come in terms of this. So this is Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card, it is sufficient you tell who issues, how many digits, what are the particulars on that, and for which purposes it is being used. Now it is linked to, what is that, PAN card? I think nowadays they
Yes.
are asking you
Yes,
to
sir.
link it to voter ID also, no? It is not compulsory. They are
It's
asking
not
you to
mandatory.
link it.
Sir, but it is
Mandatory.
compulsory with, sir, a PAN card. They are charging 20,000 rupees if your Aadhaar card is not linked with a PAN card.
1,000 rupees.
That how
Just
2,000, 2,000, no,
No,
2,000.
1,000. It was earlier
It increased.
500. No,
It
it was earlier
it-
500 till June, and from
No.
June to
No.
June 2023 June, it is 1,000 rupees.
March, it is March 31st March, it is to 1,000. After March, it is increased to 2,000.
No, it is still the same 1,000 rupees.
If it is so, okay, please check it up. but they would have increased, Baba, because up to 31st March, okay.
No, so like there was server issue and people could not merge it,
Acha.
and so they extended the date with the same amount of fine, I guess.
How can I link Aadhaar card and PAN card? What happens if we link Aadhaar PAN card?
They increased date to 31st March to 30 June.
Oh, they have increased the date to 30th June. Acha,
They
okay.
extended to further 3 months with the same amount of fine, sir.
30th
Very
June.
good. Very good. Very good. That's fine. First class. Very good. Any other questions? Now I want all of you to go through the materials I have given. Go through the website thoroughly, just as what we did now. Because when Soumya asked about digitalized banking, I was going through all the items one by one. Similarly,
Sir,
yeah,
sir, bad loan and NPA are same thing. No?
bad loans means NPA. It is similar to
bad loan and NPA.
both. Bad loans are non-performing assets, and non-performing asset is one where the interest or installment is not paid for a period of 90 days
90
and
days.
above.
Yes.
Yeah. Then any other questions you have? Otherwise, I want you to read thoroughly. Tomorrow, we can take one day leave. We will meet on Monday again. I think Karnataka Bank people, you have been having class for so many days. Since when are we having Karnataka Bank? Soumya was the first candidate to join. Soumya, when did you
Yes, sir.
join? When did you join?
Sir, I think it's last Saturday.
Only 1 week, huh? Nine.
Yes, sir. Even I started from Monday or Tuesday, I guess.
Oh, only 1 week, huh?
Yes, sir.
Then it's okay, no problem. But I want you to go through the materials, watch the videos. You go through Karnataka Bank videos. I think I have posted so many videos. How many videos are there, Karnataka Bank? Anybody knows?
Sir, I think sir 200, I think sir 200 or 300 please.
Yeah, 228 videos. But not everything will be interview, but majority will be interview. Please go through that. Some of these I would have given some information also. For example, this video tells about information, you see. Good morning, candidates. World Output Projection 2023, real GDP, annual percentage change. Here, India stands at 5.9, China 5.2, Indonesia 5.0, US 1.6, Canada 1.5. The lowest given as minus 0.3 UK. Thank you. So just information. Sometimes I do post like this big information. So please go through that. We talk. Candidates, the topic that is going on in newspapers is that is India undergoing milk crisis, or is there any shortage of it? Yes, as usual, people do have two different views. Some people say yes, there is shortage. Some people say there is no shortage, and the reasons given are that the milk yield from the animals is not much, and also supply is not matching the demand. That is what is told. And when the supply of milk was more, the companies have converted them into butter or say ghee and other items which they can sell later on. Now it seems some dairy development boards have requested the government to permit them to import milk powder, which will help them get over the crisis. But another section of people are telling that there is no shortage of milk And it is only due to the increase in the price. There has been an increase in the price. The inflation has been to an extent of 9%, 9.38%. So that is what is given. In fact, some people are requesting the government to permit import, but government has not taken a stand on that. Because there is another section of people who say that if imports are allowed, it will affect the farmers. It seems even if such a request is accepted and import is allowed, it will be done through National Dairy Development Board so that the interest of farmers are not affected.
Yeah. So likewise, please watch the videos also thoroughly. Try to take down notes and note the points so that you can answer them confidently in the class. So very good. Best wishes. Ankur, your interview is on Monday or Tuesday?
I don't get it.
Acha,
Dates
acha.
yet, sir.
It has not come. Still date has not
Yes,
come.
sir.
Fine.
Yes.
Fine. But some children are having on 17th or what is today? 15th.
Yes, sir.
17.
It is 17 in Bangalore University.
Yeah, for some people 17 and I think Walter also some 18 interviews there. Let us hope for the best. But one good thing with our federal bank is that same day interviews, sometimes they will announce the result same day. Sham ko mil
Yes.
jayega. Anyhow,
And
best of
GD
luck.
they announced the same, sir. GD and online assessment.
Very good. Best wishes. Thank you so much. By 1 minute,
Thank you,
I will, I will stop recording.